Hello students, let's revise our first chapter in our English class, and we are going to start The Fun They Had. It's a chapter written by Sir Isaac Asimov. As you know that this chapter is about the future education. Means this story is set in future, like how the system of our education will be in future. Okay. So the main characters in the story are first Margie, she's 11-year-old girl. Second is Tommy, he is 13-year-old boy. And next is Mrs. Jones. Mrs. Jones is Margie's mother, and then County Inspector. County Inspector's role is like a technician, okay, who sees the machine or robotics, electronic machine. Now, in the beginning of the chapter, we can see that Margie is writing something on screen, and through her writing a diary, we come to know that the time is set in future, because the story is about the future education system. So, through her diary, we come to know that the date is 17 May 2157, right? And she further writes that Tommy had found a real book. Now for them, real book is a new thing because they are habitual of e-book. E-book means electronic book or telebook. Because real book is that type of book which we study nowadays, or the book in which the words are written on pages or paper. Okay, so it's a surprising factor for Margie also and Tommy also. Now why surprising factor? Because their education system, or they learn through computers, and they have no this different type of classroom, but they have a virtual classroom. Okay, and their teacher is not in a human form. Human form means there is not a human being in the form of teacher, but a robotic teacher, a mechanical teacher who gives instruction what to do, how to write, how to take tests, like this. Okay. So this is about the beginning of the chapter. Now further we come to know that Margie and Tommy had conversation, and they talk about the school. And then we see that Margie is appearing for a test in geography. In geography subject, she is appearing for a test, and she is trying hard to get good results. But again and again, her efforts are becoming worse. And she is so much tense that this thing her mother notices. And then she calls for technician, that is County Inspector. Here. Now County Inspector checks the machine and he sees what is the problem. And then meanwhile, Margie is so much fed up from that robotic teacher or that machine that she is expecting that County Inspector who has come to correct the machine, that he would not be able to correct that, and that would be taken away with him. But it is not so. He corrects the machine and he tells the mother of Margie, Mrs. Jones, that it is okay now. The problem was actually the slot part, the gear system of that machine was a little hard or little fast according to the average speed. That's why the Margie was not able to do that or do her test, right? Now further we come to know that Margie and Tommy are conversing, and they are talking about the school, and Margie tells that when her grandfather was young, he tells that his grandfather, it means grandfather's grandfather, in his time there used to be a school. School means that nowadays we have. Okay. So she says that there was a time when they had a real book and there was a school system, and then Tommy tells further the different things which are new for Margie. She was quite surprised, right? And after that, Margie's mother, she asked Margie, now it is her time to have her another lesson. Okay, and she has to come in her classroom. Her classroom is her next to her bedroom. So she learns there. Okay, so the Tommy was telling about the school. That school was hundreds years ago, right? So in between there is a Margie's mother's call. She says that Margie, now it's your time to study, and her school is her room, and her room is next to her bedroom, right? And in bedroom there is a mechanical teacher. Now he was on. It means now he is ready to give the lesson and he is waiting for Margie. Now the system of Margie's class is like or classes of schedule. There are 5 days classes in a week, and Saturday and Sunday is off, right? Then when Margie was sitting in her class, that is in her room, and she was busy in her arithmetic lesson. Means the instructions were given by robotic teacher, and she was trying to do the work on that. But her thoughts were just there, means about the old school. Through the book she came to know about the old school, and then she keeps on thinking about the old school, about the fun, about the kids studying together. Means overall she was thinking that how nice the old schools used to be, because she doesn't like her school. She doesn't enjoy, she doesn't have fun, alone she study. So in this way, she thinks that perhaps I would have the same school, how the kids used to enjoy, learn together, interact with each other. So she thinks that that school was much better. Means like the title of this chapter is the fun they had. It means she is thinking that how much fun they had, means the student or the people of that time who used to study, okay, of her age. So let me revise the chapter once again. The story is the fun they had. It is from the book The Hive, and its writer is Isaac Asimov, and we come to know that through Margie's diary entry, the year is and the date is 17 May 2157, right? And when she has to appear for the geography test, then she had a problem, because she was appearing in the test in her computer, and there was a problem because the geography sector, because she was giving the test in geography, so the geography sector was get a little too quick. Little too quick means that the speed of her system was little too quick according to her average performance. Then conversation between Margie and Tommy. Margie asked about the school, about the book, and Tommy tells, because Tommy knows more than the Margie. And when Margie says that we have e-book and we have lots of chapters and content in that, and the words are in a moving way, means we can skip them and we can move them. But in book, it's just a sheer of waste. It's a wastage, because when we are through, when we have learned the things, or when we have read the book, the content, then we can simply throw it. Okay, so this is all about the chapter, and after sometime we will discuss the question answers. Till then, have a nice day. Now students, let's discuss the textual question also. First of all, we will discuss the short answer type questions. These are here. First question is, how old are Margie and Tommy? Margie is 11-year-old and Tommy is 13-year-old boy. Okay. Next question is, what did Margie write in her diary? As you know, in the beginning of the chapter, she was writing in her diary about a book that Tommy had found a real book. So you can mention it that she had written the date and Tommy had written a real book, right? Next question is, had Margie ever seen a book before? We are talking about which book? A real book. Had she seen a book before? No, she had not seen a book before. If the same question comes of explanation, then we can write why she had not seen a book before. Because her education system is different. She learns through computer. She does not have any type of book, real book. She is learned through e-book. Okay. Then, what things about the book did she find strange? What things about the book? Which book? The real book. So she finds strange about the letters, about the pages, because the pages were in a crinkly way. It was not the smooth pages. Because it was a very old book of her grandfather's and grandfather's time. So she finds strange that the letters are written in a page, they cannot move. Like in e-book, like on screen, we can move the letters, but here it could not be. And if we read the book, then it is useless. And there is a selected content in the book, which she does not like. Now, what do you think a telebook is? Telebook is e-book, the book which is saved in a computer system, right? What was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Now you must know what type of school was Margie's school. So Margie had no school like a building. Her school is at her own home, in a room, and that room which was next to her bedroom. And did she have any classmates? No, because in her time she used to learn alone. She used to study alone in specific time, in specific hours. Okay. And what subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Now through the chapter we come to know that Margie, she was appearing for the geography test, and Tommy, once he had problem in history. And later on when Margie's mother called, so she was practicing her maths. Okay, so Margie and Tommy used to study geography, history and maths, and obviously other subjects also, but in chapter we come to know these three subjects, right? So these are the textual questions. The long questions we can discuss later on. Till then, go through these questions. Now students, let's discuss the questions, and you have to answer in short paragraph. It means near about 30 words. First question is, what kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Margie and Tommy have robotic teachers, or you can say mechanical teachers, not the teacher in human form. Second question is, why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Margie's mother sent for the county inspector to check the machine or to check the robot. You know students, actually when Margie was appearing for the geography test which was given by mechanical teacher, so she was not able to perform well. Actually she was doing worse. So that's why when this thing her mother noticed, so she thought that there is some default. That's why she sent for county inspector. Now next question is, what did he do? County inspector checked the machine if there is any fault or not. He here is county inspector, right? Now fourth question is, why was Margie doing badly in geography? Second part of the same question is, what did the county inspector do to help her? So why was Margie doing badly in geography? Because the geography sector was geared a little too quick. It means the speed was a little quick. It was not according to the average speed of a student like Margie. And what did county inspector do to help her? County inspector slowed it according to average 10-year level so that the student like Margie could do well. Next question is, what had once happened to Tommy's teacher? As it is given in chapter, once the history sector had blanked out completely when Tommy was learning history. So it was taken away from Tommy for nearly 1 month. It means that machine or that robot was taken away from him to correct it or to set it. Next question is, did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? The answer is yes, Margie have regular days and hours for school. Regular days means there were 5 days in a week in which Margie had to learn. And the timing was set as Margie's mother was calling her when she was discussing the things with Tommy. That Margie, now it's your learning time. And the machine was waiting for Margie. Because in this way the things were set and the students had to study. So they had regular days also and hours also. Next question is, how does Tommy describe the old kind of school? According to them, old kind of school means which was hundreds and hundreds years ago. So how did Tommy describe the old kind of school? He describes that the old kind of school was set in a building where there was human teachers and the students used to come in that building. There was a classroom and the students or the kids of same age used to learn together, which is not like Tommy and Margie. It was totally different from their present school. And the 8th question is, how does he describe the old kind of teachers? Now Tommy describes the old kind of teachers like teachers were not robotics or not in a mechanical form. That old kind of teachers were in human forms. They were human beings. They used to speak, they used to discuss, they used to teach. Okay, so they used to come to school and they used to teach the students together. So all the 8 questions are here.